In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Shopify subscription, close Shopify store. If you've decided it's time to move on from Shopify, canceling your subscription and closing your store is a straightforward process. The key is to make sure you wrap things up carefully so you don't get billed again and you preserve any data you might need later. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, scroll to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to Plan. This section manages your subscription and billing. Here you'll see the option to deactivate store or pause or close your store, depending on your plan. Click on this option to begin the process. Shopify will ask you to confirm the reason for cancellation. You can select from the listed options or write your own. Once you proceed, you'll need to enter your account password to verify that it's really you making the request. After confirming, your store will be closed and your subscription cancelled. You won't be billed moving forward, though Shopify will keep your store data for a limited time in case you decide to reactivate later. Before closing, it's a good idea to export your store data. Go to Products, find Customers and Orders in your admin, and use the export feature to download CSV files. This ensures you have a backup of your important information if you decide to migrate to another platform or relaunch in the future. Also, make sure to cancel any third-party app subscriptions separately, as some may continue charging you outside of Shopify. Once your subscription is cancelled, your store will no longer be visible to customers and you'll lose access to the admin dashboard unless you reactivate. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.